Are you watching The Savera? This is Amarpal Singh. Before you, a political showdown is once again unfolding over here in Ludhiana. Day after a clashes between Aam Aadmi Party and BJP workers were reported outside the BJP headquarters in the city. So today, BJP leaders and supporters, they have gathered near the mini secretariat, and in the next few moments, they are expected to march towards the Ludhiana Police Commissionerate. The protest comes after BJP leader accused the police administration of failing to take strict action over the yesterday's violence and alleged hooliganism during the protest staged by Aam Aadmi Party leaders and workers. The Aam Aadmi Party protest was organized against what they call the misuse of central agencies and the Enforcement Directorate's arrest of Cabinet Minister Sanjeev Arora. So what began as a political protest yesterday soon turned into a heated confrontation outside the BJP office in Ludhiana, where workers from both the parties allegedly clashed, leading to a chaotic scenes and tense atmosphere in the area. Since then, the political temperature in Punjab's industrial capital has continued to rise. Now, BJP leaders have escalated their protests and announced that they will symbolically lock the gates of police commissionerate, alleging that the police remain mere spectators during the incident and failed to act against those involved in the violence. So as very soon, within few moments, BJP leaders, they will march towards the police commissionerate office as they have announced to lock the gate of police commissionerate. You can see heavy police deployment is over here. Proper security arrangements have been made. Heavy barricading has been put in place, and water cannons has also been placed over here outside the police commissionerate in Ludhiana. So we are showing you the visuals. Security arrangements have been tightened over here outside the police commissionerate. Heavy barricading have been put in place. A large number of police personnel have been deployed to prevent any untoward incident. So officials, they are keeping a close watch on the movement of the protesters as the BJP march is expected to begin shortly from the mini secretariat area, which is located just adjacent to the police commissionerate complex. So the situations remain sensitive, especially after the yesterday's political clash, and all eyes are now on how the administration handles today's protest and whether BJP leaders will be allowed to proceed with their announced plan of locking the police commissionerate gate. So BJP leaders, they have already gathered near the mini secretariat. The large number of BJP leaders and workers, they have gathered over here, and within a moment they will start their march as they have announced to lock the gate of police commissionerate, while alleging that the police, they have not taken any action against the Aam Aadmi Party leaders after yesterday's protest staged by the Aam Aadmi Party outside the BJP Ludhiana headquarters. Aam Aadmi Party leaders, they have protested against the BJP government of misusing the central agencies, as well as the arrest of Sanjeev Arora made by the Enforcement Directorate. And after yesterday's protest, there was a clash also witnessed between the Aam Aadmi Party leaders as well as the BJP leaders outside the BJP headquarters. And today, the BJP leaders and workers, they have gathered in large number near the mini secretariat, and they will march toward the police commissionerate to lock the gates of the police commissionerate. So you can see the entire visual over here. Heavy police deployment is over here. Barricades have been put in place. Water cannons are also over here, deployed over here, and so police personnel, police officials, they are keeping close watch on the entire incident, on the entire scene, and they are going to prevent any untoward incident. So heavy personnel have been deployed over here, and we will keep updating you about the entire scene. Stay tuned to The Savera for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Sandeep Singh.